Okay, so for Piktochart, you can make different options with graphics, uploads, backgrounds, text, color schemes, and tools. Some of the tools that I used are charts, maps, and videos. So you can see I used a chart here, and a video here, and then a map here, and then I had it change the color to Delaware to being red versus the blue so you can see it better. And then I was able to have different text, different titles, subtitles, and body text. As you can see, the difference between the sizes. And I made sure that different colors were there so then students, when they're going through, knew about the differences. And then I try to use more clip art than real pictures, just so then it followed a certain theme as well. And then uploads, you can upload your own pictures from online, or they also have pictures themselves under graphics, and you can search different things like food, and it has different options that you can use as well, which is nice for copyright reasons. And then when you're all done, you're going to click save, and you can either preview it, you can download it, you can share it to different social media sites. You get a shareable link, and then that is the free version of Piktochart. And then there's also upgrades that you can have when you do pay for it. But besides that, the free version is very user-friendly, very easy to navigate for students and for teachers to use. And I highly recommend it as a teacher.